Won't stop. Can't stop. Won't stop. Can't stop. Won't stop.
In a time of an upheaval, will come a transformation. Ignite a fire that will burn like the sun. Become a strong movement, fierce and determined, informed by where we are and where we've come from. We are those who are rising from Manila to Miami, building trust and solidarity. Love is our bond. And in the streets we are marching to end the rape and the suffering, to stop the fascist tyranny, organize as one. We are rising. We are rising. We are rising now. And in this life, from those who dare to interrupt the violence, to those who expose the truth and break the silence, warriors who work to open up the prison bars, valiant souls who stand up against the unjust wars, multitudes who defy walls along the border, masses who unify to protect our water, rebel minds who unionize for workers' rights, fearless hearts who fight to defend trans lives, those who take back their land and their health, those who seek to redistribute the wealth, youth who demand a right to education, those who reclaim political power in their nation. We cry out, say her name. We chant love, trust, hate, and we will not be erased. It's we who decide our fate. We are rising. We are rising. We are rising now. And in this life, we are rising. We are rising. We are rising now. And in this life, we are women who endured violence and degradation, slavery, trafficking and mutilation, rape and abuse, racist discrimination, those who survived labor exploitation, colonization and gentrification, imprisonment, migration and militarization, homophobia and transphobic aggression, violence by police, reproductive oppression. But from the pain we will open eyes, awaken hearts and awaken minds, and that demands we intensify. Strategically we are organized, together we can raise the vibration through our action and imagination, respect, trust and communication, and love for our future generations. Intersectional, inclusive we come, collective power is how this is won. We keep it rising like the fire of the sun. We will rise like the sun. We will rise like the sun.